Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today we'll take a look at the euro currency, because euro currency right now shows absolutely different action compared to other forex currency pairs. So in the beginning, just a few words on the Australian dollar. Our bread and butter trade has started well. So if you'll take a look at the daily chart of the Australian dollar, you'll see that market in fact stands right now very close to the target. So just a 20 pips stands till the target will be hit. So that was just tactical, interesting trade when the market shows the bright patterns. It's very clear and easy. It could be easily readable on the market. We should not miss such opportunities when the market offers it. So, but right now let's shift to the euro currency. In fact, the currently is major question: what we're expected for on the euro, what we are waiting for. In fact, guys, the major task of our analysis on the euro currency in the recent month was to get the right moment for taking the long position, because even 2 weeks ago we said that market has formed the bullish engulfing on the monthly chart. That is the bullish engulfing on the monthly. If you will drop your time, if you will increase your time frame right to the monthly chart, you will see. And that was the classical retracement back in the body of the pattern. This market shows every time when it forms the engulfing pattern on any time frame chart. At least in the most cases, this usually happens. But the depth of this retracement could be different. So it could be 3.8 as we expected here, or it could be deeper, the 6.18 as we've got right here. And we would like to get the clear signs that market reestablished upward action, either the pattern here or the clear sign of the continuation, the thrusting action and something of that sort. We didn't get the pattern, unfortunately. We have discussed this and watched for intraday charts, but no clear pattern has been formed, because the major driving factor here is mostly political and fundamental, but not pure technical issues. First of all, Greece stands very close to the agreement with the European Union and the creditors on its debt and the payment to IMF, although this solution probably will be tactical, and in the longer term perspective this problem will rise again and again, but this lets market to postpone the problems on the future periods and do not think about it right now, since for the short-term perspective the solution probably will come on the Greece problems, and Europe treats this as a positive sign. Second, unexpectedly, 2 days ago the statistics shows the significant rise in inflation in the European Union, and the yields of the German bonds have raised, and this could trigger the closing of the short position on the euro, because it could lead to the reversing of the carry trade, because euro stands as the low rated currency with dynamic inflation and low rate. But right now, as yield starts to rise, this creates the risks for the carry traders that to fund their positions will be more expensive, since they will have to pay the high interest. That could lead to the unwinding of the short positions and could trigger the upward continuation in the short term in the euro currency. All these moments stands as the supportive factors for our thought and our view on the short term perspective of the euro currency. As a result, we could get the big A, B, C, bottom, D pattern as the completion of the bullish engulfing on the monthly chart. As we said, this minimum target is 118, 120 area, as we have discussed in our weekly research. That's why our current task is to take the long position on the euro currency, because here we see from the technical point of view also thrusting action. So we see the thrusting. We see that market moves above the weekly pivot, monthly pivot point, and right now it has erased the 618 resistance of this most recent swing down. And take a look. It meets with the overbought. It's struggling with the overbought. That let us count on some retracement that should let us to take the long position. So currently, guys, on the hourly chart, we do not have any patterns yet been formed here, but we know that market at overbought, and at the expectation of the grid solution and the expectation of the non-farm payrolls release on the volatility, market theoretically could show some retracement down. And we think that the most suitable area for this, where we could take the long position, stands around the conference support 110.60, 111 approximately, that is accompanied by the monthly pivot point, and market really could show some retracement down to it. That maybe led us to take the long position. Anyway, our task here is to get some deep where we could think about the taking long position, because trend on the daily time frame chart has shifted bullish. Market shows the signs of the recovery and reestablishing upward action. That's why we need just some retracement where we could take the long position. So we do not need to be hurry, because it's a lot of room till the target, and if we will not be able to do this right now, maybe we will do this tomorrow or beginning of the next week. So it's a pretty much room for upside where we still could take the position. But as the fundamental, as the technically, market right now shows the signs of recovery and signs that maybe we finally will get this upper leg that we have discussed in the weekly research.